In functions, the next topic is the parameter passing methods or the argument passing methods. The parameter passing methods have two types. First one is call by value and second one is the call by reference. First of all, the call by value defines the value is passed directly to the function, but in case of call by reference, instead of the value, address of that value is passed to the function. What is the meaning of that? For example, we have a program. If we declare a variable int a, comma int b, then in memory for the variable a occupies a memory address 100. For b, it must assign the memory address 200. The values are, for example, 20, 10 and 20. So for that, when we are using call by value, then directly the 10 value is to be accessed directly. But by using the call by reference in functions, the address of that value is transferred to the function. Address of value is passed to the function, that is 100 is passed to the function, and on the 100th location the value 10 is printed. So the output is same, but the mechanism is different. For example, there is a program for swapping two numbers x and y, or if the value of x is 10 and y is 20, we have to swap that value. Swapping means the x, after some time x becomes 20 after swapping and y becomes 10. The value of x is replaced by 20 and the value of y is replaced by 10. This is the concept of swap. So for swapping two values, we start with the function swap, that is the function declaration part, in which there is the function name, then there are the list of argument, main function starter, curly brace start, int x and y. X and y are the two variables. Print f, enter two numbers. It may enter the two values x and y. For example, x is entered and y is entered. X occupies the location 100 and y occupies the location address 200. Enter two values. Two values are to be entered. For example, x is equal to 10 and y equals to 20. Swap x comma y. This is the function definition part, function calling part, this is the function calling part. Here there is a function name and the list of arguments. Then the control passed to the function definition part. This is the function definition part. So in function definition there is a function named swap. They are the number of parameters or the argument int a comma int b. These are the actual parameters, these are the formal parameters, and the value of formal actual parameters are passed to the formal parameters. So there is a variable, another is the b variable. Value of x is passed to a and the value of y is passed to b, but their memory location are different. Next, int temp is the temporary variable in which the result is to be stored, or in which the temporary variable in which the values are to be stored in order to swap the values of a and b. So there is also the memory location is also allocated to temporary variable. If the temp equals to a, temp की वैल्यू क्या हो 10 हो, देन a इक्वल्स टू b, a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाए 20 हो जाए, एंड b इज इक्वल्स टू टेम्प, एंड b की वैल्यू क्या हो जाए टेम्प के ऊपर, टेम्प की वैल्यू क्या है 10, विच मीन्स डैट a की वैल्यू अब क्या है 20 एंड b की वैल्यू क्या है 10. दीज आर द स्वैपिंग इज डन. प्रिंट f, प्रिंट क्या कर दे आफ्टर स्वैपिंग %d x इक्वल्स टू %d. आफ्टर स्वैपिंग क्या है वैल्यू क्या बन गई है 20 एंड y की वैल्यू क्या बन गई है 10 एंड कर्ली ब्रेस क्लोज. देन हमारे पास आउटपुट क्या आएगी इस यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि वैल्यूज पास्ड हो रही है डायरेक्टली. वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल एक्स इज पास टू ए, वैल्यू ऑफ वाई इज पास टू बी, एंड बाय यूजिंग दिस फंक्शन वैल्यूज आर स्वैप्ड. सो द आउटपुट क्या आ जाएगी कि वैल्यू ऑफ ए बिकम्स 20 and value of b becomes 10. But in case of call by reference, same program is to be used. Here if we use the same function, for example यहाँ पर swap int comma int star int. So this is the function declaration part for swapping two values by using the call by reference method. In call by reference method we use the concept of pointers. Here the star means value at address, जो भी किसी भी वेरिएबल को हम यूज करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टार ए, द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. If we use @a, which means that address of the value placed at address of a. This means address of a. For this we start the main function. There are the two variables are to be declared, x and y. Enter the value of x and y same as before. There are the two variables x and y, value 10 and 20. Locations are assigned. Scanf, printf. Before swapping हमारी वैल्यू क्या है 10 and 20. Swap function, there is a function call @x and y, which means that address of x and address of y is passed to a function. That is the call by reference method. Address of x, instead of the values, here the address is to be passed. So by calling this function, here int star a represents the value at address a, int b value at address b. Here int t is the temporary variable. The memory locations are different for all the variables. So t is equals to star a. First of all, the values are copied. Value at address a. The value of x is copied to a. Therefore, the value at address a becomes 10 and b becomes 20. Now t is equals to star a. Temporary variable की वैल्यू क्या हो जाए star a. Value of a, star represent the value of a, value at address a, which means 10. Star a is equals to star b. The value at address a becomes the value of address b, 20. B is equals to t star b. The value at address b becomes 10. Therefore curly brace goes and the control goes to the next statement is printf. After swapping, the values becomes x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 20 and y equals to 10. So the result is same, outputs are same. What the difference is that in call by value, directly values are to be passed to the function, but instead of the call by reference, address is to be passed to the function.